Hello everyone, this is Larrylison Masterclass. My name is Lawrence. Welcome back to our Chinese Master Course, Pinyin Lesson 8. In our previous video, we discussed about the sibilant initials. I will say that these sibilant initials are the initials that have hissing sound. So let's quickly do a revision of that sibilant initials and then jump into today's lesson. The first one is ts. Second one ts, and the last one s. I will say that these initials without finals, they cannot be sensible. So we add e to three of these initials and see how they can be sensible. So we have t, t, s. Beautiful. In this very episode, we are going to be looking into the 9 compound finals written on the board. We are going to learn their pronunciation and also learn some new vocabularies with these letters. So stay tuned. Back once again. What we have on the board are only but the 9 compound finals of Chinese language. These 9 compound finals are derived from the 7 simple finals that we studied at lesson 1 of our video. So let's quickly start. These compound finals, we pronounce them by gliding your mouth from one vowel sounds to another. For example, we have ow. Ow. Here, we make this sound by gliding the letter A to all sound. Ow. So you can observe the first letter R sound, the ow sound, R sound, have a heavy sound, ow, while the last one is pronounced politely, very light. Ow. So this is how we are going to be practicing these 9 initials. Ow. Ow. Here, I would like you to use the English word how to always record this letter. How, the OW sound of English word how to record this sound. Ow. How. The next one will have I. The same thing also applies. By what? Gliding your mouth from one vowel sound to another. I. The E sound is pronounced lightly. I. So you can also use the English word I. In case maybe if it is difficult for you to pronounce. I. Beautiful. But here the I is just a falling sound, but the I has a flat tone. So in case you've not watched the video concerning baritons, you can also visit the lesson 3 of this video to check up the baritons. Then the next part, the third one, will have yeah. Here, why making the sound? You remove the E sound, put Y. So you could remember when we are talking about the simple finals, we also say that whenever we see the E sound, we add Y to them. Yeah. So you can as well use the English word, the YA sound, the sound of English word to always memorize this sound. Yeah. Beautiful. Then the fourth one will have all. Here, the same thing also applies. Use the English word O, the OH sound of English, O, to memorize this sound. O. Nice one. Then the fifth one will have wo. Here, you can as well use the English sound wow, 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 W-O-W, wow, to memorize this sound. Wow, wow, wow. Then the sixth one will have wa, wa. You can as well use the English sound wow, wa, wow. So you remove the last W of that wow to memorize the sound. Wa, wow. Nice one. Then the next one will have a. So whenever the sound, remember on our first video when we are talking about the simple finals, we said that the E sound is pronounced as but when it comes together with E, with this E, it becomes a. So the sound changes. So here is pronounced as a. So you can as well use the English sound hey, H-E-Y, hey, hey, in case if maybe if you're having difficulties with this sound. Then the next part will have yeah, yeah. Remember the E sound is pronounced first before the yeah, yeah. And you could remember that we said that whenever this sound goes with E, it changes to a. So it becomes ear. Here it is a, ear. So use the English sound yes, yeah, yes. So you remove the S sound to practice this word. Then the final part will have yeah, yeah, yeah. So the U sound must be first before the sound. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. You can as well use the English word you, yeah, you to memorize this sound. Beautiful. So now let's practice together. Ow. Repeat after me. Ow. I. I. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Wo. Wo. Wa. Remember to repeat after me. Wa. Wa. A. A. Yeah. Yeah. The last one. Yeah. Yeah. Wonderful. So now, before we start practicing these sounds with before we start learning the vocabularies with these sounds, with these letters on the board, there is one important thing that I would also like to remind for everyone here. The E sound, this E that we should add Y to it to get it correctly, although we said it here. So now, what we are going to be doing now is to check where we have E as the beginning sound. So the first place we have it is at ya. So the ya, when it goes with ya, it becomes this ya, ya. Then the same thing applies to ear, ear. It also ear, ear, something like this. That's how it is. Then that's all. Then another thing that we're going to remind for everyone is woo sound. When it goes with this, whenever we see the woo, we should add W, woo, for we to understand the way it is pronounced. Let's look at the place we have the use the letter U as the beginning. Then we add W to it. We have it at war. So war, when it goes without, we have, sorry, it should be written this way. War. Then the same thing also applies at wa. We can also observe that. We do that same thing. Wa, it goes this way. Beautiful. So now let's learn new vocabularies with this sound. But now we are going to be practicing them with initials. Remember, we are done with initials. So we are done with initials, with one initials of Chinese language. So, but these sounds, we are going to be practicing them with some of the initials that we discussed last time. So the first one here, I'll be saying the initials 2 times before saying their meanings. So using the ow, we have bow, bow, meaning back. Dao, dao, meaning knife. Second one, my, meaning what? To buy. My, to buy. My, to sell. The third one will have jia. Remember, we are practicing these sounds with initials because pinyin is a combination of initials and finals. We have jia, jia, meaning family, family. Qian, qian, money, money. The fourth one, we have Ouzhou, Ouzhou, meaning what? Europe, Europe. Shou, shou, meaning what? Hand, shou, hand. The next part, we have war, war. War means country. 国家，国家，国家 meaning country. 水果，水果 meaning what? Fruit. The next part we have 花，花 to spend. 花 to spend. 花钱 to spend money. 花钱 to spend money. 给 to give. 美 meaning beautiful, beauty. So, for example, when someone asks you, how was today? You can say beautiful. We do say 今天怎么样? So you can as well say reply 美谢谢谢谢 to thank somebody. Maybe when someone does something that is very good to you and you want to show appreciation, we say 谢谢 thank you 谢谢. Another one 姐姐 姐姐 your elder sister. So my elder sister is 我的姐姐我的姐姐. Nice one. Then the last letter, we can learn a word called 月. 月 月 means month. 月 month. 一月 January. 二月 February. So that is how it goes. Beautiful. So now, today we've been able to learn the 9 compound finals of Chinese language. We've learned their pronunciation and also learned some very important vocabularies. These vocabularies are the daily use vocabularies. We do use them every time. That is really very, very amazing. In our next video, we are going to be looking into the 4 chieftains of Chinese language. We are going to learn their pronunciations and also learn some important things, some things about tones of Chinese language. There are some things we need to discuss there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.